Follow along. In this video, I will show you how to make perfectly tender, succulent, juicy pulled pork out of the loin. Oh, it's going to be good. Clean it well using a boning knife. Then select your seasoning and rub. Fire it on the grill and char the crust. Pork. I'm going to shred each piece like this very quickly. It shreds really, really nice and easy. Oh yeah. You can see that. Oh, really, really nice. One of the nice things about using a pork loin like this is it's large pieces and it's just fast and easy. The sauce. This is going to be a very unusual barbecue, southern style, southern USA. So I've got about 2 cups or so of the juice. It's got a little bit of pork flavor, pork stock in there, some of the beer, the garlic, all that other good stuff. I've got a 2-pound can of tomatoes. I'm going to put in half the can of tomatoes. It's about a pound of tomatoes there. Yeah. Okay, the next thing I've got is liquid smoke. Love this stuff. Liquid smoke is a great flavor. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of liquid smoke. It's going to season up this whole big batch and make it really, really good. Of course, you got to have some sugar. So in this recipe, I'm going with a cup of brown sugar. Mix all these flavors together. Oh yeah. I've got one more unusual ingredient for you. Yeah, it's looking really, really nice there. Okay, unusual ingredient. What I've got here is I'm going to put half a cup of maraschino cherry juice. It's going to do a few things. It's going to turn it reddish, bright red color, which you do find used in barbecue, various recipes. It's also going to add quite a bit of a sweetness factor and a little bit of natural cherry flavor. Yeah. Okay, that's looking good. That's a thin barbecue sauce. It's exactly what I'm looking for because this is going to be heated up again tomorrow or the next day as it's used. So I want to dissolve all that sugar, get it mixed in good there. Oh yeah, it's time for a tasting. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Okay, I can tell right away a couple of things. I like a little more garlic. I'm going to go with a little bit of granulated garlic. Like that. A little more salt. Another dash of this liquid smoke. It tastes good. I just like a little bit more. There we go. Mix it up. Oh yeah. That right there is southern barbecue. Oh yeah. Now, I'm going to do one last tasting. Yep. That's it right there. Ooh, yeah. Nice little blast from all those peppercorns. And now I'm going to put all this pork right into the sauce. And we're going to heat this up as needed. And then little reduction in a frying pan and make some awesome pulled pork sandwiches. Okay, it's the next day. I thought I'd share this with you. This is my barbecue pork, looking really good. I'm going to put just a little bit of it in a hot frying pan. Oh yeah, I'm going to serve it up. Huh? It's going to be good. I want to show you how I'm going to serve this. I'm going to put it right on the plate with some of this awesome lettuce. I'm going to add some tomato. Tomato hearts like this. And I'm going to serve a little bit of pita bread with that. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Oh, that pork is gonna be good. Oh yeah. Make sure to leave a comment and try this recipe out. Subscribe to the chefs right down there in the corner. And get cooking. Oh yeah. Barbecued pork smells so good. If your chef asks you for fresh herbs, chopped, this is what he's looking for. Chiffonade of basil. Wow. Thanks for watching. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on 1,000,000 times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. You're gonna like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,